If you have a small YouTube channel and you want to build a massive audience on here over the next couple of years, listen up, because now is literally the best time to do it. Over the last 5 or 10 years, YouTube has been dominated by the massive channels and massive creators, and it's been almost impossible for smaller channels to compete. Unless you got a massive shout out from a huge channel, or you paid your way onto the homepage with production value, it was incredibly hard. But over the last few months, YouTube has started to change massively for us as smaller creators. More and more smaller channels are showing up everywhere, and there's loads of new channels blowing up all over the place. And smaller creators with under 1,000 subscribers are starting to be put alongside these massive channels with millions. And that's probably how you saw this video in the first place. This is massive for us smaller creators, and it can finally give us a route into actually achieving our goals. Whereas in the past, it felt literally like a lucky stroke or a lucky viral video to get anything on YouTube. I think some of this new strategy from YouTube is partially because of the rise of TikTok. TikTok was notorious for making loads of new creators and helping people rise up from nothing immediately. And whilst I'm not much of a fan of that platform, I can see how great that part was. Another reason why it's probably the best time to start growing on YouTube as a smaller creator is because authentic content is on the rise too. And more people, including myself, are enjoying more laid back content where it's more about the personality of the YouTuber. Meaning for you to build a massive community and build a massive audience on YouTube, you don't necessarily have to do crazy things or come up with crazy ideas. And that if you connect with your viewers, either through a topic or through your daily life, that is more than enough now. Some examples of creators that do this and are very successful with it too are Sam Sulek, Mashtag, Outdoor Boys, it goes on. Where the main premise of their content is to talk and connect with their viewers. Of course, when their channel gets more successful, they can probably do more things with the camera, but the premise stays the same. The focus is always on the connection with the audience. So with smaller channels starting to be given more and more chance, and the rise of authentic content that doesn't require loads and loads of editing and production, now is probably the best time to make loads of content and finally go for those goals. So get your face out there, start making loads of content, start making a connection with your viewers, because channels of your size are getting seen. And over the next year or so, YouTube could start changing your life. To see how YouTube changed my life with under 1,000 subscribers, watch this video right here. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Peace. Start making content.